It hit 70 degrees today, and I decided I had to set up my patio now, not later. 7 months pregnant, I set up my patio all by myself. I could not wait for my man to get home. I got these chairs off TikTok shop. They really don't even know that they sent me 2 of them. Don't tell nobody. And the whole time they're meant for indoor, but they're giving patio, are they not? I love the kids' drawings, but it just needed to go. I needed to see how my patio was about to look. And when I tell y'all, I had to beg my man to let me take this chair outside. It's actually back inside right now as we speak. It's the most uncomfy, comfy chair in the world. Like, low-key, that cushion is not cushiony, but it's like just so comfortable. I've taken so many naps in this chair, I'm obsessed. And I knew I'd want to be in this chair the most during the summer, so that's why I moved it so I could see the most of my yard with it. I did stop at Five Below to get just a little bit of decor. I didn't know exactly how I wanted to do my patio, but it turned out cute, kind of. The table is giving $5 until you put it all together, and Loki is giving like maybe 15 or 20. I got these pillows from Five Below too. I kept the tags on because I really can't decide if I like them or not. But that little white blanket, yeah, it tied the whole thing together. It's giving like patio set. Now, I did buy a peach tree with no knowledge of how to plant a peach tree, so we're gonna see how this goes. And here I am, just, you know, admiring how proud I am of myself. Then Big Mama had to take a break. I told y'all it was 70 degrees out. I was actually sweating bullets. I for sure need to add some more decor, but I'm pretty satisfied with how the patio turned out as a base. And baby, I'm telling you, this chair, first of all, it could fit my whole family. So when you're in there by yourself, it just feels like a big hug. I kid y'all not. My man actually took this inside and we're watching TV right now. I'm debating buying another one to keep inside. And I did dump a gallon of water in my peach plant. Please, somebody tell me that was the right thing to do. Anywho, here's what we got so far. I linked what I could from TikTok shop. Like I said, we're still working on it.